जय माँ. यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. This is the month of April when I'm shooting this. So I'm making a very chilled mattha for myself, you know. So how is a mattha made? Because generally summer में you have mattha. It's very cooling and very nice. So I'm sure some of you know how to make mattha. Mattha में क्या है? The main ingredient is ginger juice. अदरक का जूस जो है वो सबसे मेन इंग्रेडिएंट इसमें होता है मट्ठा में. So first you have to make a chash and then you have to add everything. So I'm showing you. First take dahi to make a chash. पास में दिखा. See, मेरे पास बहुत दही नहीं है आज. So I'm just making 1 glass for myself. Now if you want to make more, I've given it in the description box कि कितना लेना चाहिए. I'm taking all this, the water also. You need more dahi, but for more people, for one person it's okay. Then churn it nicely with a whisk. Whisk it nicely. This is chilled water. I've taken 1 cup. Description says 3 cups, Rohit. 3 cups and all that because it's for more people. This is just for me. There's nobody else today. So after you whisk this, इसमें थोड़ा काला नमक डालिए, pig salt. You can add more if you want. Then I'm taking powder sugar, which is sugar free. You can take 1 teaspoon sugar free. Mix. Then add jeera powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix. Now the main thing is this ginger juice. So you take ginger. Mixie mein also you can grind it with a little bit of water and it becomes a juice. Or you take a mortar pestle and crush it so the juice comes out, but you need quite a bit of juice. Otherwise mattha nahi banega. So you add that. Main ingredient of the mattha is this juice. See, niche chipak gaya hai adrak. So I'm going to take it out. It's a yummy mattha, and especially summer. My God, what a relief it is. Then chopped dhania, coriander, little bit of it, not much. Add that. Then add chopped chillies, as much as you want. This goes in the mattha, and I think the kala namak is a little less. So I'm taking a little more. 1 teaspoon is fine. Then you can always adjust once you are done. And I want some salt. Now it depends. If you don't want sweet mattha, you eliminate the sugar part. But it's basically sweet and sour. That's how the mattha goes. So you should add a little bit of sugar free also. You can add normal sugar you can add. And then lots of ice cubes in the mattha. This is how you do it. And then you pour it in your glass. Here's the glass. Take a nice tall glass, and fill it up. Perfect. Wow, perfect. Exact 1 glass. See how lovely it looks. And it tastes so good. And it's so cooling, you feel good in summer. If you have it with lunch or something, generally Gujaratis have a habit of having chash after every lunch. You know, the moment they finish lunch, they will have chash. It's a digestion, you know. Your digestive system gets active, you know. So chash is a must after every meal. So this is mattha. So do make and let me know. Jai Ma.